हाय फ्रेंड्स,
वेलकम टू आवर चैनल
एशिया फॉर इंडिया।
मैं विनीता
और मैं हूँ नेहा एंड वी आर बैक with another EXO. Yay! So as we were celebrating the EXO week, so this one is another EXO reaction, and this is probably the song we should have watched first. This is Growl. So I think Growl was the song that made EXO EXO. It made EXO huge. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, I might be wrong क्योंकि आधे टाइम हम wrong होते हैं. So you guys can let us know, but I think that's right. But I've never seen it because once I started following EXO and we decided to start with the channel, I decided not to watch it so that we can watch it together. So this is my first time watching Raul, but I might have heard the song because I think it's one of the songs that is like used very often in variety shows, like कोई डांस चैलेंज होता है या कोई सॉन्ग रिकॉग्निशन चैलेंज होता है तो ग्राउल तो बजता ही बजता है. एंड आई थिंक
क्या पता मेरे को भी याद आ जाए.
हाँ, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट्स वन सॉन्ग जो सारे सबको पता है. लाइक इन द कंट्री एक ऐसा होता है ना गाना कि जो सबको पता ही होता है, उसका एक हुक स्टेप भी होते हैं, सबको उसकी कोरियोग्राफी भी पता होती है, उसका म्यूजिक भी पता होता है. आई थिंक दैट्स दिस सॉन्ग इज दैट काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग. So let's not waste any more time. Are you ready, Vinita?
Yes.
Let's get growling. How do you growl?
ये गलत हो गया.
But how do you growl? Growl की कौन सी वाली साउंड होती है? Growl is जो वुल्फ करता है कि डॉगी करता है? नहीं, डॉगी तो बाग करता है, तो ग्राउल इज वुल्फ, राइट? They also have a song called Wolf.
करके भी चलो.
नहीं निकलेगा. They also have a song called Wolf. So let's watch that next tomorrow. Let's get started. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
म्यूजिक याद आ गया मुझे.
I am pretty sure you would have heard the song.
हाँ सुनो एंडिंग देखा ना.
छोटू सा क्यूट सा
क्यूट लग रहा है.
हाँ, ये वाला स्टेप I have seen people do this.
मैंने भी देखा है ना.
ये वाली कोरियोग्राफी है. I've seen this done in a lot of shows. I think this would have 12 members. ये तो अभी भी छोटू लगता है. He doesn't age. So with that, मतलब I think this would be 2012. This concept of dividing the book into 2 parts and switching the camera, this was the first time it was done.
जिसमें सारे मेंबर हैं.
हाँ. This is crazy.
इसको देखा, इसको मैंने चाइनीज मूवी में देखा है.
ये चाइनीज मेंबर है और अभी एक्टर है वहाँ पे. Chris was the leader of the Chinese subdivision. He's also a Chinese actor now. छोटी लग रहा है, क्यूट बेबी. So that was EXO का Growl. Sorry. कैसा लगा तुम्हें विनीता Growl?
मतलब सब कुछ छोटे छोटे
They were so cute. They're still cute. I think Baekhyun has remained cute throughout, but it is noticeable that he was very young at that time. और वो बाकियों से और छोटा लग रहा है. पता नहीं for some reason. जबकि वो शायद बीच वाले range में था in terms of age. I think Kai and Sehun were the youngest. Even like I don't know about the Chinese members. I'm sorry, but I don't know their ages and everything. बट आई थिंक उस टाइम पे भी बैक्यून उनसे भी छोटा लग रहा था और अभी भी वो वैसा ही लगता है बट इस टाइम पे सब छोटे
हाँ बहुत छोटे छोटे
एंड दिस वाज द सॉन्ग दैट मेड देम EXO लाइक दिस इज कंसिडर्ड लाइक अ नेशनल सॉन्ग दैट एवरीवन मस्ट नो चलो एक बार दोबारा देखते हैं बिकॉज लेट मी सी देयर आर सबटाइटल्स नहीं है तो पुराने गानों की तरह फिर से कोई सब नहीं आई थिंक SM शुड नाउ पुट subs on all songs क्योंकि अब it's become more global. I think it's time that they spent a little effort and made at least for groups like EXO and Girls' Generation जो ज्यादा popular groups हैं they should take out the time and make sure कि पुराने गानों पे भी subs हो यार because it really helps. No problem, but let's go and watch it again. Are you ready, Benita, to growl?
Yes.
Growl की sound अभी भी नहीं आती है मैं, but let's. हाँ ये सही होगा. Let's watch growl once again. 1, 2, 3. ये beat बहुत अच्छे है ना.
इनके सबके शूज बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हैं
ये यूनिफॉर्म है स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म Benita तब like even this makes them look younger like school uniform वाला concept I think it's school uniform it is as well काय कितना क्यूट लग रहा है ये वाला कितना स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन है ये वाला ये कोरियोग्राफी I think every boy group has covered this song one time or another. डियो बहुत क्यूट लग रहा है आई थिंक मुझे डियो के हेयर स्टाइल में से ये हेयर स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना not two people are wearing it the same way. किसी की शर्ट बाहर हाँ किसी ने टाई पहनी होगी किसी ने कुछ और कुछ पहना होगा but everyone would have a distinct look to them. And I think it's a one shot. है ना? पता नहीं. You guys let us know, but I think it's a one shot.
ये ऐसा है ना कवर देख रहे हैं मतलब डांस कवर देख रहे हैं अब देखिए ज़्यादा
इस टाइम पे these guys are very new. I think the previous songs hadn't done that well. कैसे मतलब क्या है? Everyone gets enough screen time, even though there are 12 of them.
सबको आइडिया नहीं था।
पागल बहुत है इसके अलावा।
उस टाइम मैंने दिया।
I think it would make for a great like on stage performance भी ये बहुत amazing होगी।
मुझे छोटे छोटे देख के बहुत क्यूट लगे ये।
हाँ, and I think that's मतलब I can understand why it became huge because these guys were so cute and the song has a very what do you call it, energy, a lot of energy, plus it also has a lot of youthful vibe in the sense कि I can understand why young girls would really fall for these guys and I think it was मतलब in the sense you feel like taking them home and वो uniform थी भी नहीं था school नहीं था so they were wearing school uniforms and I think at the time पहली शायद पता नहीं I can be wrong about this but I think at the time it was a new concept that somebody was doing a song with guys wearing school uniforms and I think it was a single shot
हाँ
मुझे लग रहा है कि
वो कैमरा
कैमरा हाँ so मतलब they must have been performing all through only when the camera was facing the other group you would be stagnant otherwise it would require a lot of energy and a lot of practice and I think this is the song जिसके लिए कि मैं I told you once right कि मैंने एक शो देखा था I think it was some kind of a talk show about wherein Baekhyun was there and Sehun was there and Shiny Seki was there and Boa was also there so की ने ऐसे कहा था कहते ये बिल्डिंग ग्राउंड ने बनाई है तो I remember that and now I can understand because I think EXO put a lot of things in place for SM. There are other groups also like Shiny and Super Junior. Super Junior I think was the first one जिसका Sorry Sorry made it to the European market and then it opened that gate and then Shiny came in and then EXO came and a lot of artists like Boa was the first one to take the K-pop wave to Japan and all. I can be wrong guys, this is based on what I've heard and in interviews and stuff. You can let us know but this was a great song. I can truly understand why till date it's considered the national song like अभी भी मैंने ऐसा कोई शो नहीं देखा I think that's the reason I've heard the song. I've never seen the music video, this is the first time I've seen it but I've heard the song.
सुना तो मैंने भी है पर
shows में क्योंकि वो उसका cover होता ही होता है. I think this is one song जो लड़कियां भी करती हैं. हाँ I've also seen a girl.
मुझे भी लग रहा है मैंने गर्ल बैंड को ही देखा है करते हुए.
Like I think this is one of the most covered song in terms of performance also and in terms of vocals also. So this was a great song. Thank you for the recommendation guys. This was our 4th EXO day. We'll be back tomorrow. I think we'll do Wolf. ग्राउल करके हाँ ग्राउल के बाद हाँ वुल्फ बनता है ना so let's come back tomorrow and watch Wolf together. That's it for today. Thank you so much. If you liked the video and the reaction please like, share, comment and also subscribe please. Okay, bye bye.